Reece Custom Manufacturing is a new company. In our business, we produce vessels, pressure piping, and packages for the oil and gas industry. I'm Dave Shills. I'm the President, Operations Manager for the company. I came to Medicine Hat in 2012. Came down to work here. Medicine Hat is just a great place to come to. It's a great place to live. I've lived in places all over the world, and this is home and will remain home. Business is great right now. Business is growing. We're increasing all the time. We've hired some new employees just recently, and we're still looking for some talent. Medicine Hat has been a really good resource for people, local people. We've had people that have gone through the Medicine Hat College that we have on staff. We've got a really good group of people here. It's a family type organization, and all of us love doing things in Medicine Hat. We source a lot of our materials locally. We sell in Western Canada, USA, and we're sitting right on the TransCanada Highway. Beautiful way to transport goods. We're with the highway right in the city. Southern Alberta in general is a great place to do business. It's been wonderful for us. There's resources available here. There's vendors available here. There's supply here. We have, like I said, we've drawn people from the college as a source of a lot of our staffing, technical and trades. The transportation hub here is perfect for us. It's just a great place to be.